Lost inside my mind, so long, I've tried to fly along.
Hello, Wonderstruck. Welcome. Have you ever wondered how you can create a comforting and motivating environment for your dreams and goals? Well, today we are diving into the science behind it and learning how to create your very own vision board. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on the science of visualization. In my last video, I mentioned that summer is a time to reset and plan, for me at least. As I planned for fall and my academic year, I set goals. To create the right momentum and motivation for my aspirations, I create a vision board. Visualization or vision boards can help the brain become comfortable with something through a process known as mental rehearsal or cognitive priming. When we engage in visualization or create a vision board, we stimulate the brain's neural networks associated with perception, imagination, and goal-directed behavior. I just finished reading The Source by Dr. Swart, and in it, Dr. Swart recommends using vision boards and explains why they can be a powerful tool. Before we dive into vision boards, I want to recommend reading The Source for a simple guide to embrace a more deliberate, mindful, and purposeful way of living. Dr. Swart is a neuroscientist, leadership coach, and best-selling author. Her work revolves around the fascinating intersection of neuroscience, psychology, and leadership development, so I knew I was in for a treat with The Source. The Source empowers us to unlock our full potential by understanding the inner workings of our brain. Dr. Swart brilliantly explains how we can rewrite our thoughts, improve our mental resilience, and create positive change in our lives. As we journey through these pages, we discover the profound insights of neuroplasticity, how our brains can adapt and change, allowing us to grow and transform as individuals. The Source gently encourages us to reconnect with the wonders of nature. Just like this peaceful moment, Dr. Swart reminds us that slowing down and immersing ourselves in nature can awaken our senses and bring a sense of calm to our busy lives. The heart of The Source lies in cultivating mindfulness. Dr. Swart guides us through various meditation practices and breathing exercises, helping us find our center and become more present in each moment. By embracing mindfulness, we learn to savor life's simple pleasures. The feeling of the warm sun on our skin, the aroma of freshly brewed tea, and the gentle touch of a loved one. Throughout the book, Dr. Swart offers reflective journaling prompts. Engaging with these prompts helps us gain clarity on our desires, dreams, and intentions, allowing us to align our actions with our truest selves. The main takeaways from The Source are harnessing the power of neuroplasticity to transform our lives, cultivating mindfulness for a calmer and more focused mind, techniques to increase mental resilience and handle challenges effectively. Dr. Swart provides practical exercises and brain training techniques throughout the book. The exercises are designed to help us apply the knowledge from The Source to our daily lives. One technique that she emphasizes is vision boards. She calls them action boards because it's a creation of something that will inspire our actions to bring about your desires and not just a place for your daydreams. A vision board is more than just a collection of pretty pictures. and inspiring quotes. It's a visual representation of our aspirations and desires, an artistic expression of our dreams and goals. Dr. Tara Swart encourages us to take the time to create our own vision boards. She believes that when we engage in this creative process, we tap into our subconscious mind and clarify what truly matters to us. Look at this beautiful example of a vision board. Here we see images of a serene beach, a thriving garden, and a fulfilling career. Each element represents a specific goal or aspiration. When we include images that evoke positive emotions and happiness, like this tranquil beach, our brain begins to associate these feelings with our goals. By regularly observing our vision boards, we create a powerful connection with our desires. This process reinforces our intentions and keeps them at the forefront of our minds. The source also suggests that we update our vision boards periodically. As we grow and evolve, our aspirations may change, so updating the board ensures that it stays aligned with our authentic selves. The act of creating and using a vision board is not about wishful thinking. It's about setting clear intentions and taking inspired actions to manifest our dreams. And guess what? Research has shown that visualizing our goals activates the same neural pathways as actually performing those actions. It's like a mental rehearsal that enhances our motivation and propels us forward. Dr. Tara Swart reminds us that the universe responds to the energy we put out. When we focus our thoughts and emotions on our vision, we attract opportunities and resources that align with our goals. So, my dear Wonderstruck friends, if you're seeking a beautiful way to bring your dreams to life, consider creating your own vision board. Embrace slow living and allow your authentic self to shine through this creative process. You can use magazines and attentively cut out pictures for a board to place on your personal space, or you can make one digitally. I use Canva for free to make my vision board, and this is not a promotion, but I like the many templates available to me to create what I want. Then I'm able to keep it as a screensaver and look at it all the time. I have also seen some make their visions in a journal or a sketchbook. Then they continue to update their visions through the pages over time. Personally, I delight in this idea, and also being able to use the following journal pages to make bullet points for action steps is a great idea as well. This may be considered a bullet journal as well. Well, I hope you do choose to make a vision board, and this video has helped you get some inspiration and understand why it can be so important for your brain. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through The Source by Dr. Tara Swart and my vision board process. Until next time, may your vision lead you to a life of fulfillment and joy.